Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Super great having you guys here today. It's really great doing another video for you today. I hope you guys have been learning and also earning. So yes guys. So basically what I want to share with you guys is how I have been doing in my Margex account. Now guys, let's get straight into the video. But before I do that guys, just want to say thank you guys. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for earning with me. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have been earning, learning, and also smiling. So now let's get straight into the app. So yeah, so we're gonna go into my Margex account. So you guys can see that I basically double my portfolio, right? You can see right here, it is now 60 dollars. It has passed the $60 mark. So now that I share with you guys this, I'm gonna share with you guys how I did it. And also, it's my duty now to basically double this portfolio again. Remember, guys, we're double. That's how I personally grow my account when I'm trading by just doubling it each time, doubling it each time. That's how I do it. So yes, guys. So now, so 260 will be 120. So the next time that I share with you guys this account, the it should be $160 or $120, guys. 120, 260, $120, and it should be $120 or more. So yes, guys. So now I'm gonna share with you guys how I do it. And this method, I was using this method all along, but I have to tweak it a little bit. And the biggest thing that I have done to tweak it a little bit and basically start earning faster and even more is by taking profit. I know it might seem simple, but sometimes when you're trading and you see your portfolio up, you think that, okay, your portfolio is up, so you don't have to take profit. But remember, if you don't take profit, that portfolio is up, you don't actually own it until you take that profit. Then you said, okay, you own what's the trade. So let's say you have a portfolio of around $10, and you have grown that portfolio to $15, right? Until you take that $5, take it and put it take it and know it's basically yours in an asset, whether it's be in Bitcoin or USDT or any other altcoin are that you are interested in investing in. That is when you take profit. Once you take the profit, you place a trade and then you close it in profit. That's how you take profit. Once you do that, then you now say, okay, you have that $15. Even if the the portfolio goes down to $11 or $12 or $13, you still hold the asset. And asset goes up and down, up and down. It doesn't matter, but over time it goes up. Or some asset does dump to zero. So when it comes to Bitcoin, some penny stock too, they dump, right? Even big cap stocks, because I invested in a stock. I invested in that stock, I think at 40 something dollars, and it's now at $1 something, right? So stock do dump also. So just to keep all of that into consideration. So yeah, just to keep that into consideration. So yes, guys. So now I'm gonna show you guys um the what I did. So yeah. I remember I told you guys whenever you're trading, you're gonna have liquidations. Liquidation just let you know that, okay, the market people are others are taking profit. Just like how when you're taking, even though I don't have a lot of earnings, so if I take profit, it won't do anything, right? So because it's a $1, $2 profit, so it won't do anything. But when whales are taking profit, it does something to the market. And this thing you got to understand, if you know that that asset is valuable, when you see it dumping, it's a chance for you to buy that same stock for less. It's not, I know that some people act after fear, but that is when you should act um of like great feeling, because you can now buy that same stock for less, right? So okay, so all of these are profits. So you can see all of these. So whenever you see margin on the left hand side, you're gonna see margin, right? Where you see open data, closed data, margin type. So you're gonna see margin Bitcoin, right? Or margin Solana, or margin Litecoin, or margin USD. Reason why on Margex you can use different collateral or different cryptocurrency as margin, right? In other trading platform, you only can use USDT or USDT to basically trade the market. You have to use a stable coin to trade the market. But with Margex, you can use different cryptocurrency on itself to trade the market, right? So yes, guys. So that's what I did, right? So yes, guys. So these are all profits. Where you see size and you see the like 22, so you see size on the left, and on the right you see $22. Then you see size of a BNB, and you see size on the left, and then on the right you see like $35. Those are the size that I use, not the actual money that I put in the market. So what I did, I basically X my account, right? Sometimes 20x, sometimes 10, 14, 7, 5, all of that. So when I do times my portfolio by the amount of money that I have, it makes the size bigger. Not saying that I have that money in the market, but that's saying that is the size when I exit. So yes, guys. So if you don't know how to use leverage, you will be liquidated. You have to keep all that into consideration, guys. So you can see that I've been taking profit and long, because I told you guys the market is in a trend. It's in an upward trend. Even though I'm going to show you guys what I did the other day, I start setting some shorts and I got liquidated. But with my shorts, I set a small amount of leverage. So you can see that isolated 20 on the Solana, isolated 25 on the Solana. So that amount of money that I'm losing, right, is basically, I will lose it. I will lose, that's just the size. So where you see realize PNL, that's so this one says realize PNL Solana on the Solana trade, and realize PNL on Bitcoin, and the Polka dot uh trade, right? All of them are shorts. But what I did, I isolated that, meaning if this goes the wrong way for me, because we're in an uptrend, but I'm just see what happened if the market is going down. Let's see if I could make some money going down too. But I put a certain amount that if the market I get liquidated, they won't take my full portfolio, because if I go cross, they will go, my full portfolio will be going down. But if I do isolated trade, only what I put up, only the margin that I put up will basically take from my account. So, right? So remember, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I basically put 5 shorts, and that is with my 5 different margin. I'm gonna share it with you guys. So yes, guys, I hope you guys are understanding the concept of how I do it. So yeah. I got liquidated, and then afterwards you can see how I start taking profit again. So that's how I do it. So yes, guys. So now what I did, guys, is let me go into my wallet. You can see in my wallet I have Litecoin as as collateral Solana, Bitcoin, and USDT Tether. Remember, guys, if you remember my first video, I only have USDT Tether, and I said to you guys I wanted to convert some. Once I reach $14, I could convert $10 USDT to Bitcoin. So what happened? I end up doubling that $10 on Bitcoin, make it $20, and I send that $10 to USDT Tether, then I send it back to Solana. And I did the same thing again. I basically doubled my Solana, right? Trade. So I make 20 something dollars on Solana, and then I send $10 over into Litecoin. So the reason why I do this is I am, what do they call this again? You are diversifying. Yes, I am diversifying my portfolio. Even though at the end of the trade, I will put everything into USDT, put everything back into Bitcoin, and withdraw all my money off the platform and put it in my custody wallet, right? But now I am trading, and because I'm trading, I want to have like, I want to diversify, meaning, let's say let's say Bitcoin is dumping, right? And Solana and Litecoin is also dumping. At least Bitcoin has a higher, um, we call that liquidity, higher liquidity, so it won't dump that far. So yes, guys, I really like Litecoin, so I invest heavily in Litecoin. Most of my platform that I use to earn big cryptocurrency pay me out in Litecoin also. So yes, guys. So I basically just continue to Litecoin. So you can see that in my Litecoin account, I have the total. I have $18, but available I have 16, meaning that $2 are actually in the market working for me, while $16 is on the side still there. So what I was doing on the Weex account, I was using the $16 and leaving only the $2 as uh as my overall portfolio. So I was using a bigger part of my portfolio. So now I understand I won't do that. I will use a small amount and keep the bigger one. So let's say I am in trades right now. You can see I'm in some trades. I did take some profit before. You can see I'm in some trades, and right now. So yes, guys. So let's say I am in some trades and they're going the opposite way. Let's say I want the market to go up and the market is going down. So I'm losing on that trade. I will still have a big amount of margin to add back to those trades, because why? The market is in an uptrend, meaning the market will go down slightly but go up further, go down slightly but go up further, because it's in an uptrend. Once you see the market break the previous support and going past the support, the previous support, you know that either you're losing the trend or you're having a lower low before it basically range and go up more. So you have to understand that there are some textbook pattern for trading. You can, if you understand that, you understand if the market is in an uptrend, downtrend, what pattern when the market is changing from an uptrend to a downtrend, or from a downtrend to an uptrend. But I think personally, if you're in a, let's say you want to trade and you find other traders, you will get all those news and those stuff, so you have an idea how the market works also with news and rate hikes, rate cuts, all of those things, so you have an idea how to trade, right? When I just started trading, I used to trade on the KuCoin account. You guys can check some of those videos. I didn't understand exactly, and I keep telling you guys that I am not like fully understand how to trade. I'm just trying. But as time goes by, I really understand, and you guys can see the proof right here, right? that I really understand now how it goes. Because when you're a beginner, you are the bait when you're a beginner because you don't understand. So you might see something, you might think different, but once you understand the thinking and you need to basically watch a certain amount of people on YouTube and see how they think. So if you're watching me and I'm explaining this, you have an idea of how I think, how I do things, and you can take one or two things and you can build your own concept of how you trade. And that's what I do. I watch Garrett Soloway, I watch Sheldon the Sniper, I watch Crypto. So basically I watch all those people and they all have a different strategy of Thomas Crollo. So I watch all those people and I see each of them have a different strategy. So what I did, I take something from each of them and I have my own thinking of how I do things, right? So yeah. So remember, because different people have different responsibilities and stuff like that, also different tolerance and stuff like that. But I said it and I said it over and over again. The best to start small. You guys see how I start with $2, $3. Now you can see the portfolio is sitting at 60. The next time, God's willing, it will be like maybe 100 and something, right? And I said this to you guys. If you understand how to trade cents, you can trade dollars. You can trade $100. You can trade $1,000. It's the same concept. It's the same thing. But if you don't understand how, because it's all in percentage, right? It's percentage. You have to know how much of your percentage to put in the market to keep, how much of the percentage when to take profit. And the biggest thing, guys, I was I wasn't doing is taking profit. I would see my portfolio go up to like like so let's say I set some small trades, like I said $10 and stuff like that, and the portfolio will go up to like a 200 profit, a 300 profit. But in that portfolio, I'm thinking see, I want to earn $3 from this. So I'm waiting for the $3, but you have to understand its percentage and you're up 300% on that trade, even though it's maybe a dollar, a 50 cent, a 60 cent, but you're up 300%. You have to take that trade because the position that you put in is small to make that $3, which is the percentage, right? So a person can set a trade depending on the percentage, right? And the market and that trade can go up 5%, they make $10. I can set the same trade and I go up 2% and I only make $2. So you have to understand the percentage also. So when you can see for this one, it has for this Bitcoin Cash, you can see I am at 28 cents, right? And you can see the amount of size that I have, $15 US, which in way I didn't put $15 in here. I put around I would say a dollar, right? And you can see I am up 84%, right? This is a lot because I put in a a dollar and I make like 28 cents on that dollar. You have to understand you're up 90%, right? So just to keep all that into consideration, it all comes down to the percentage also, right, guys? For example, this Bitcoin trade, right? I earned 34 cents, but I'm up 300%. It's on a $10, but I didn't put $10 in the market. I put around, hmm, I put around 50 cents. So you can see let's even, let's say 30 cents. You can see I double my account. So you have to understand the percentage how to take trade. So that is the thing that I was lacking, and I understand exactly how it works. So now I take profit and I buy and dips as I always does, and I ladder in the market, meaning going a little bit, starting with a little bit, and then as the market goes down, my portfolio get bigger depending on the trend. So yes, guys, This video is getting a little bit long. I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys see the value in what I'm saying. If you guys are interested in trading, this is the concept that I use. You can take something from what I said, something from other traders, and then you can come up with your own strategy. Maybe you're a person that likes to go in and out the market in an hour, in 2 hours, in 2 hours, maybe, right? If you're that kind of person, you have to trade on the different the different zone. And what are the zones? So let me go into a trade. So let's say you're in the trade right now, right? I want to go into, okay, let me go into Bitcoin because Bitcoin is more popular. You guys will understand that very well. So yes, guys. So how to go into how to get the chart. So this is what I want to explain to you guys. So when you're trading on different zone, let's say you're a person that want to go in the market and get out, you have to trade on a 15 minutes or even a 1 minute chart. So basically, you're buying the support and you're selling at resistance. And this is a 1 minute chart. Now, for me, I like to stay in the market even a day or two, even overnight. So I trade on a 4 hour market. So you can see I will buy like here and then I will sell here, right? So you have to understand. Maybe you're a person that likes to trade at a longer time frame. So you basically just use the daily. With the daily now, you know that you have to stay in the market even a week or a month. You have to stay in the market because it's the bigger range. So you understand every guys. There's so much things to understand, but if I'm telling you, you won't understand by doing it with small, just as I explained to you guys, just as you see I do it. Earn a little bit of earnings on free money making app. Put that in a trading account and start small, and you by experiencing it, then you can trade. But the thing is, you have to understand that there are different type of trades. You have a ranging market, you have a downward market, and you have an upward market. So in each of these market and in each of these zone, there are different strategy of trading, right? So you have to understand. For me, I trade differently. I trade as a long-term investor, meaning I'll just buy, and when I want to money and it's in profit, then I'll just sell and take the money out. That's basically what I do. And also I do other trades, like basically this kind of trade where I'm just trading basically on different assets. So yes, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here, listening to me. I hope you find value in my content. Before I go, I just want to say, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.